कुंकळे वेरोडाच्या सेंट अँथनी शाळेतल्या तिसरेच्या विद्यार्थिनीक ताच्या इश्टानूच मारपेट केल्याच्या प्रकरणात संबंधित शिक्षिकेचेर गुन्हो नोंद करपाक उपनिरीक्षक कविता राऊळ हांणी कळाव केल्लो। या विरोधात थळाव्यांनी आंदोलन केल्या उपरांत पुलिशेन ताची दखल घेत उपनिरीक्षक कविता राऊळाची बदली केल्या अशी माहिती दक्षिण गोय पुलीस अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हांणी दिली। या प्रकरणाची खोलायेन चौकशी करतले अशेंय तिणें सांगलें।
लोकांचो डिमांड आशिल्लो की पुलिशेन एक्शन सारकी घेवना, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सारकी करूना, सो ताज्या बद्दल हांवें ऑलरेडी जी FIR रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ली आसा ती हांवें विमेन पुलीस स्टेशन मडगांव हांकां ट्रान्सफर केल्ली आसा। ऑलरेडी म्हजे बरोबर विमेन PI विमेन पुलीस स्टेशन आसा आनी ऑलरेडी शी हॅज टेकन ओवर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आनी टुमॉरो मॉर्निंग शी विल बी डुईंग द पंचनामा एट द स्कूल ऑल्सो ऑफ ऑल द CCTVs what is available. Additionally, we have guarded the premises with pickets of the police. We have already deployed over there. They wanted inquiry to be done against for insensitivity by the police, and so I have also asked for ordered for the preliminary inquiry regarding lapses, if any, by the police in handling these issues. So again they have said that the principal of the school and the teacher of the school should be brought and questioned. Right now we have come to know that both of them they are away from their house. They were not available for securing their presence for questioning them. However, the crowd was good enough to say that police to take the recourse tomorrow, and in case of anything they have said that by on 4th, that is day after tomorrow, by 10 o'clock in the morning they should be made aware about the things. So we have assured them that the best of the investigation will be done and all evidence will be brought on the court.